What's up, everyone? All right, so I'm gonna do some vinyl wrapping on my car. I'm gonna redo my headlights. I already redid the what do you call those? The side marker reflectors in the rear. So I'll cut to that right now. I'm gonna do the vinyl on the headlights, and I'll show you guys why. So as you can see, the vinyl's coming up. So on actually both. We got this one coming up here. I could probably just take a heat gun to it, but I don't really like the quality of this vinyl that I got, so I'm gonna redo it. How many of y'all do not like this yellow, or how many do you like the yellow? I like the European spec with just the silver, but that's why I'm using the vinyl. So let me move it over. I don't know, I just like it. But let me know what you guys think in the comments, and do you guys have vinyl on the amber? So I'll use this knifeless tape by 3M. To get around the edges here, and then I'm just going to follow that line that is in the headlight. So I'm going to do two pieces of it first. I'm going to start with the inside line that I want to follow. Of course my battery died during the process, but this is the final product. What do you guys think? Put it in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe